I have been using this sunscreen for a while now, and this is my second purchase. This is Rays of Sunscreen by Zoya, and I thought I should finally share my experience with you all. It comes with SPF 50 plus and PA+++ protection with ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It helps brighten and maintain skin hydration. All the benefits and ingredients are clearly mentioned on this, and the best thing about this sunscreen is that only the pea size amount is enough for hydration and even coverage. So only this little amount is enough for your whole face. It has a non-sticky, non-greasy formula and easily absorbs into the skin without leaving the white cast. As you can see on my hand, it feels so lightweight, not like other sunscreens which make your skin oily and sticky. Look how perfectly this absorbs into my skin. This is the part 1 of summer skincare essential. Follow for part 2.